Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Chaudhary Mushfiqur Rahman before you from Boyra Garbhaghi High School. As usual, in keeping with the Shaushad television, I am going to conduct my online video class for yourself. Hoping that you will be greatly benefited if you go through my class very attentively. Since you are not present at this moment before myself, so you have to be more alert and conscious. So I am going to conduct my class. Look at the board. Directly I am going to a picture here. Dear students, what you are seeing here, look at the picture and discuss with your partner 2 points. Who are they? What are they doing? And if you are able to see the picture, most probably you are guessing something who they can be. And it is very easy to guess that they are the farmers of Bangladesh. So today our topic is farmers of Bangladesh, and I am conducting this class especially for the students of class 9 and 10, and it can be a good class for all sections students for class 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, even 11 and 12. So we are going to learn very interesting things about the farmers of Bangladesh. So at first we should know the definition of a farmer. According to picture and definition, a farmer is person who lives by farming or growing agricultural production. Especially we know that a farmer is to grow the agricultural production for the people of Bangladesh. But we will know something more than this. And in the picture we are seeing that here the farmers are growing rice, sugarcane, jute, cauliflowers and other types of vegetables. Now we have to know what kinds of works our farmers are habituated in doing in their day-to-day life, and what kinds of crops they are to grow. What do our farmers grow in Bangladesh? So our farmers grow rice, jute, sugarcane, potatoes and many other crops and many other vegetables also. If we go further, our farmers also grow many kinds of vegetables all the year round. This is cauliflower, pumpkin, brinjal and gourd and many kinds of vegetables. So our farmers don't grow only rice, jute and sugarcane for ourselves, but they also grow many kinds of vegetables, and the rate of growing vegetables is increasing in our country very rapidly. Okay, then we can check some other things. Besides agricultural crops, our farmers grow many kinds of fruits. There are the picture of mangoes, blackberry, guava, banana, watermelon, and so on. So in short, we can sum up that our farmers grow rice, jute, sugarcane, potatoes, many kinds of vegetables. They also grow many kinds of fruits also. And again, our farmers also cultivate and grow many kinds of flowers. There are many kinds of flowers. There are some sorts of problem of picture, so it may be hazy to you to understand the picture. So in traditional way, we have already learned our farmers grow rice, jute, sugarcane, tree, many kinds of fruits, vegetables and flowers, and even we can address a man who is cultivating fish. He is also a fish cultivator. So in large term, a farmer is a person who grows different kinds of crops, vegetables, fruits, flowers, and also produce different kinds of foods like fish, meat, etc. They will also be regarded as farmers. Next, we are going to learn what kind of environment our farmers are to work. According to picture, our farmers are to work even in extreme hot, rain, and biting cold. Actually, the work of a farmer is very tough. A farmer is to work from morning till dusk. Here is a picture of rising sun, and this is the setting sun. So usually a farmer is to work all day long from morning till dusk, even in hot, rain and cold. He is to work all kinds of weather. Next, we are going to learn what kinds of works our farmers are to work in their fields. Farmers are to cultivate their fields, prepare fields, sow seeds, water the plants, apply manure, apply insecticides, look after the crops, and cut them to bring back home. So farming is not just something to just sow seeds and to cut fruits, vegetable crops. It requires a lot of care to the plants. Like here, the farmer is cultivating fields through scientific machines, tractor, here by old method, cows, they are preparing the paddy fields, applying seeds to fields, they are applying insecticides, water the plants, cutting crops, and taking back to home, and finally preparing rice from the paddy fields. So it requires a lot of work and lot of labor to get our foods. What kinds of life our farmers are to live and usually live? Our farmers get very happy when they got good harvest and earn much money. But for many years, we are seeing that our farmers grow a lot of crops, fruits, vegetables, but most of them don't get enough money in proportion to their labor. Even most often they are deceived and cheated. They work hard but they don't get much money according to their labor. So if our farmers get much crops and much money, they become happy. Similarly, our farmers get very shocked and fall in danger when they lose their crops and can't earn. We all know that all kinds of works of our farmers are totally dependent on nature. The life of farmers totally depends on the mercy of nature. Their crops may be affected by storm, tidal bores, flood, drought, river erosion, waterlogging, and may be destroyed fully. So anytime all the green fields full of vegetables, fruits, flowers may be destroyed by thunderstorm, flood, or and natural any kinds of natural calamities. So our farmers have to depend totally on the mercy of nature. So it is very risky to invest a lot of money to their farming. Again, the works of a farmer are full of risk. They may fall in danger anytime and lose their life in work fields. Here, a farmer may lose their life in a storm by the thunderbolt, and in recent years, many people are dying by the thunderbolt and even snake bites. So, a farmer's life is full of risk and uncertainty. So since the work of a farmer is full of risk and uncertainty, and they are to work in field from morning till dusk, so their family member get anxious for the safe return in time of natural calamities and pray for their safe return. Their family members always remain anxious. Actually, all the people who are doing risky jobs, he or she, his or her family member are always anxious for their safe return. So how can we identify possible of farmer? Our farmers are the backbone of our economy, because if I myself a teacher, if all the teachers of the world don't teach in their educational institutions of respected field, our world may stop for some time, but if our farmers stop growing crops, food, vegetables, the world will face food shortage, famine, and crores of people will die. So, our farmers are the backbone of our economy. Our farmers ensure food safety for all. And I have just before I have told you that if our farmers stop growing all kinds of food, then we will face food shortage and epidemic, and eventually we will starve and die for want of food. So our farmers are growing these kinds of food, vegetables, and ensure food safety. They ensure the food for a baby, for the poor, and for rich, for us all. So we should salute them. So what happens if our farmer doesn't work? Without their works, our country will face food shortage, and it will bring hunger and death. So if our farmers don't work, our country will face food shortage and bring hunger and worldwide death. So what should we do? So government, we should continue helping our farmer and share their joy and sorrow. In the picture we are seeing that our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, the daughter of democracy, is giving some donation to the farmers, poor farmers, inspiring them to do farming. So what is our duty? We must respect our farmers for their importance works for the country. Actually, we all should salute them because they are sweating their sweat. They are shedding their sweat, shedding their labors, doing everything for ourselves, for keeping us sound, to ensure food for us. So we must respect our farmers for their important works. And hoping to see you next class. But before going to say goodbye, I will give you some shorts of this is in short in some of the life of a farmer. So if you are asked or told to write down a paragraph, the life of a farmer, you have to describe the farmers in light of Bangladesh. So after my discussion, what we have done, dear students, we attended. From this class, I have tried my best to describe the definition of a farmer. What kinds of crops our farmers grow, the daily life of a Bangladeshi farmer, the importance of work of our farmers, the problems of our farmers, and we have to write down a paragraph on the life of a farmer. Actually, if you are told to write down a paragraph on the life of a farmer, we have to describe what kinds of crops they usually grow in our country, their working hours, where they work, what kinds of works, what is their shortcomings, their needs, and most important, we have to honor our farmer. We have to ensure security for them, because if our farmers are cheated at a continuous rate, once good farmers will leave their job, and eventually our country may face food shortage and destruction. Our economy will collapse, will face many big monetary crises. And we all know that Bangladesh is an agricultural country, so putting importance on agriculture is must and most priority. So thank you very much. Hoping I have to leave actually. I have almost finished. So hoping we will be remain safe in this COVID pandemic, and I will ask this: to be happy in this world is to be humanized, remain happy, and make other happy. Thank you very much.